to hand things in. So first of all, in each chapter there's this chapter overview. And if you open it, you're going to see all the things I expect you to do. So these practice questions are not handed in, but they're essential. Do them and check your answer at the back of the book. Exam questions are identical to these assigned questions. So these are all the questions that you're going to want to do and check in the back to make sure you're getting correct. Okay, the answers are all in the back of the book. These are the suggested questions. Now, a few are ones I want you to hand in. So I want you to do an online discussion, 1.1, history connection from 1.3, online activity for 1.7, and finally you hand in the pretest. Okay? So I'm going to show you where you find those on the course. So like I said, 1.1, there's where you make a discussion. 1.3, that's where you do the history connection. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it says right before you hand it in, you need history connection, 1.3. So you're going to look in your book, section 1.3, and you're going to find history connection. There should be a part A or B. I didn't tell you the page number because I think you have those skills to find that. Now, once you've done this, it says it wants it in a Word format. You're going to type it up and you're going to go add submission. When you go add submission, you're going to open and find your files. So this is my own files, every single type of file that I have, okay? And then I'm going to look and find it. So my suggestion to you is that you name it something that makes sense to you, something that says like 1.3 history. So then you're not re-looking through your files to find it. So some smart naming happens there as well. Kate, you did get that chapter 1 pretested. Okay, chapter 2, we had a problem. You put chapter 3 pretest in chapter 2. Well, this is where the chapter 2 pretest. Notice there's a hand. When I go and click on it, it says scan and submit. What am I submitting? Chapter 2 pretest. So again, if you named it chapter 2 pretest, then you would know where to hand it in. Okay, as well, so chapter 2, I can see there are 3 things that I need to get handed in, and then that exam my teacher will hand in for me. Okay, there's still the overview of all the other things you have to do. Here's the lessons, here's some information you might need. Still do the rest, but only those ones get handed in. Similarly, chapter 3, same thing. The overview tells you all the practice questions. Here's your instruction. Oh, I have to hand in 3.4 certain questions. Which ones? Oh, only 7, 8, and 13 from section 3.4. Okay? And finally, I just want to show you when you look on your pretest, it goes through this process again. It says what's your name, your school, your supervising teacher. This is important because it tells me who to send your exam to. And then that's where I mark what you got. So make sure it's your own work. I even tell you to call it Brent Dawood Chapter 3 pretest, email it to myself, upload, and then I'm looking for Chapter 3 pretest. So you put Chapter 2 pretest in Chapter 3. That was the problem there. Okay. Then wait until you've gotten feedback, arrange a time to write it, and these are the things you can bring into your exam. So it says that on the front of every pretest as well. Okay, if you have more problems with how to scan and upload, I find the easiest way to scan is the school's photocopier. So if you spend some time using that, it is quick and easy. You can also get things Tiny Scanner or ScanBot I really like for your phone, and it can scan directly to your phone. But again, smart naming files is going to help you upload to the right place. Okay, so ask myself or ask someone at your school for help if you're still having trouble. So please resubmit those ones that I gave you 0 on because they were the wrong assignments in the wrong spots. Resubmit the correct assignments and I can give you credit for them.